Have you been craving for smoked mackerel? You want to use it, you would like to use it for your soup, for your OGBONO soup with oha, just like we do have them in Nigeria. But you are in the abroad, you don't know how to get smoked mackerel? Don't worry, okay? Just stay tuned, I'll show you how to smoke mackerel in your kitchen in your own oven. Before we get into the kitchen, please like, comment, and share the video, and subscribe if you have not. The first step is to clean the mackerel. You cut it open and remove everything that is inside the bowl. Everything that is inside this bowl, you remove it, all the nyama, all the bobotibo and everything that is inside. You remove everything and then wash thoroughly. I know that in Nigeria, those sellers, they don't remove the inside, what is inside the belly of the mackerel, because it helps to keep the shape, to keep it like whole, like complete. But this is what you are doing in your own home, in your kitchen for yourself. You're not selling it, so you need to clean out everything that is inside the bowl and wash it very well before going into the next step. Our fish is all cleaned up and ready to be prepared for smoking. Now, get your skewer ready to perforate the fish, the two ends of the fish, in order to hold it together. So you insert it through one end and bring it out through the other end. You see how easy it is to do? It's not hard at all to hold the fish together. You know, just like I said, just watch what I'm doing now. Watch what I'm doing. You insert it through one end, maybe through the tail side of the fish, bend the fish and perforate the other side, the head side of the fish, and bring out the skewer from that side, and it is ready. It is bent. Now it is ready to be put into the oven. I already preheated the oven and I am now placing the oven rack into the oven. Don't you dare forget to place a pan beneath the rack. I know what I suffered to clean the oven when I finish smoking the fish. So when after some minutes, like maybe 20 minutes, you bring out the fish and turn it. Give the fish a turn to the other side so that both sides will be well cooked and well smoked. Put it back again, close the oven and allow to smoke for another 20 minutes. And then your mackerel fish is smoked and it is ready. You see what I was telling you? The oil that came out of this fish, oh God, the oil that is gummy. It took me time to wash out everything and clean the oven. So my dear people, my lovely people, my beautiful people, your smoked mackerel is ready for your enjoyment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the videos. And of course, don't forget to stay hydrated. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.